We're here with ClickBank's top trending offers for July. Mychal, why would someone want to promote a trending offer versus a top offer?
These are the Cinderellas. These are the sleepers. These are the indie films. These are the ones that your friends have first seen the show and now they're trying to tell you the show, but no one else has seen the show. They are the Ted Lassos.
God, well, thank you. They were very descriptive metaphors for that. Not expecting that.
Not expecting that at all.
Okay, well, let's dive in.
Okay, let's dive in. So we have 5 today, and starting out at number 5, we have Pianoforall. Pianoforall is a piano learning product. Now anyone can learn piano or keyboard. It has this great landing page, awesome video of how you can learn and follow along. They have interactive ebooks on it. It's a great, solid offer, and it's been just rising up the top lately on this one. If you see here, you have their affiliate tools page here where it has how to get started, how much you can earn, sample testimonials. Like, I love what they've done with their affiliate tools page. It's just excellent. So the stats on this, for this one, they are seeing initial EPCs of about 86 cents. Total EPC, 86 cents as well. So it's just a front-end offer. The AOV, $41.54, and the average payout value is $21.
Nice.
What is so good about this is it has a low refund rate, and it has a great conversion rate at that 4% conversion. So, and this offer has been around for a good amount of time. What is, I think, so good about it is people are discovering it now again. It is a great way to keep your list clean. It's a great way of making
it's a feel-good offer.
It's a feel-good offer. It just is going to apply to a lot of people as well. If you have parent lists or traffic that is for midlife crisis or whatever. It's just
we've seen hobbies trending through COVID and stuff. So yeah,
exactly. So it's just an excellent
online
offer.
education hobby niches are doing really well. Yeah, thanks, man.
Yeah. Perfect offer.
I was excited to see this next one pop up. This is Visual Impact Kettlebells.
Ooh.
And this is from a friend of mine, Rusty Moore, which, gosh, if you give him a follow on Facebook or something, he posts the best memes all day, every day. It's pretty good.
Ooh.
But
I'm all about the memes.
Yeah. What I like about his offers is that he runs blogs, right? That's kind of like what he does. He has lots of like organic content sites out there. But his offer pages look a lot like long form blog content. And what we've seen too, right, workout from home offers, kettlebell kind of things have been doing well, and he's probably got some of the best offers in that space, for workout at home stuff. So, people are still nervous about going to gyms. He's been doing well through COVID and all that. Now people are opening up and they realize, I gained a bunch of weight. I need to get fit again.
Yeah, I got to get into that shape.
Kettlebells have been trending. They were sold out forever, right? That's kind of how trending they were. And then if you jump over to his Visual Impact Affiliates page, you'll see all these details on how to actually get promoting his offers over here. And just a reminder for everybody to click on the link in the description below if you want to get links to these offers, to these affiliate tools pages, to the nicknames so you can search in the marketplace better. I know in the last video I had some questions about the Slim Sugar offer, like, hey, we can't find it in the marketplace. It was just hard to search for by keyword, but if you had the nickname, you could find it pretty quickly.
And speaking of last videos, we do have a lot of great top offer videos and past trending where you can take a look, and a lot of those are still really good.
On that blog article?
Yeah.
Exactly. And just want to give Rusty, there he is, one more quick plug. He's got a great high carb fat loss offer too, which I like because it really flips the script on like keto and high fat and low carb diets. He's like, no, eat all the carbs you want and lose weight. Again, it's just kind of like blog style article and things like that.
He's my new best friend.
Yeah, he's got a pasta one, I think. It's like the pasta diet or something. Might not be out or live anymore, but
I'm on board.
Yeah, but it's a great way to flip the script on those kind of like, and kind of cut through the noise a bit on just high fat, low carb diet kind of noise out there.
Going in at number 3, we are going to go to Slim Sugar. Slim Sugar also it sounds like a band name.
Just mention that. That's fine.
Yeah, you were a great lead-in for it. So Slim Sugar, they have a great VSL. It is a supplement. You can see right here. It's great VSL actually. It's awesome.
Yeah.
On their affiliate tools page, hey, there's us. Man.
We made it. Mom.
Oh, Mama, made it. So we got right here. You're going to see this offer is private. So he opens this up to a limited amount of affiliates right now.
They're keeping it, I was chatting with them. They're keeping it really tight, really controlled, making sure inventory is good, supply chain's good, so they don't run into like inventory issues or anything like that. But they're going to be ready to blow the doors open, I'd say pretty soon. But it's still pretty locked in. They're working with vetted affiliates only, so you have to apply through their list and things like, or through their page and things like that. So again, click through the link in the description to find their pages. Go through that route. But
yep.
Sorry, I didn't mean to cut you
off. No,
you're
fine. And we've talked about this before when it comes to like hype stretch, where there are some vendors out there who like to keep it lean and mean, and they do that to make sure they have stock,
especially in the early phases, right? When they're still testing,
phases, or to protect the high conversion rates that they have, so that you don't have too much saturation. So what their numbers are and why you want to beg to be on that small exclusive list. So they start commissions at 75%. Their initial EPC is at $1.38. Full EPC, $1.76. Initial AOV is $148. Total AOV, $188. Average payout value, $105. Refund rate below 5%, and the conversion rate at 1.67%. For a supplement, that is stellar, and I think we were talking before this. This is one of those ones that we really think is about to really blow up. So if you're able to be on the early adopters list, so to speak, the early one, then you're going to be well taken care of.
Yeah, I expect we'll see this one doing very well in the months to come and going to next year too.
100%.
And this next one, this is another friend of mine, Eric Raum. He's handsome face on this video here. This is LumaSlim, the 5-second method. They have some different hooks and angles around it. Right, they kind of have a whole package that they like to sell, transformation package with the different bundled supplements and kind of weight loss training, digital offers and kind of bonuses and things like that. Yeah. So that's kind of how they hook you in, or they've just got, hey, if you just want the supplement, go ahead and get that, right? But they're really trying to anchor that package, that full customer experience.
For sure.
But really good stuff. And this is the wrap. He's got the wrap, LumaSlim on ClickBank.
Ooh, yeah, the wrap.
We've talked about that before, but if you haven't checked it out, go check out their affiliate tools page.
Hip. You can't stop.
That's pretty good. Data on this one, it's always good, but we'll cover it real quick. Starting commission at 65%, EPCs in the $1.10 to $1.35 range. Initial AOV $184, total AOV in that $236. That's way up there. Yeah. Partly because they're probably anchoring with that package, which is $150 plus anchor versus the $69 initial bottle.
Exactly. That's what's pushing it up there.
And then average payout to affiliates is $130. Refund rate is excellent. Conversion rate right around 1%, which might sound lower, but their average payout is and AOV is higher. So you're seeing that could probably even out in the long run.
Yeah. So and that just tells the different strategies that some vendors are doing. If they're starting out the higher initial, you're going to see the conversion rate drop. But if you're able to push the traffic and weather the storm a little bit longer, you're going to get paid out quite considerably. So our last top trending offer, number one on the top trending, is going to be FlexoBliss. The number one in back, neck, shoulder pain.
That's a lot of pain.
That's a lot of pain. This offer it's one of those where this is probably going to be on the list when we talk about top offers or just outside of it going forward. It's a supplement for back pain, shoulder pain, all of that. They run the 136, so starting out at $69 and ending at $294. They have a beautiful, beautiful lander on there. No affiliate tools page.
Hey, it's early. It's okay.
It's early.
Okay. Well, not too much.
Yeah.
BioFit took about a year to get one.
Yeah, so it took about at least a good 3 years. Yeah. That's how long COVID felt. So this offer is just doing great numbers on this. So what we're seeing on that, they start commissions.
Sorry, I just saw the AOV. I'll let you get to it.
Yeah. It's a whoo. And so 65% starting commission. EPC $1.13. Initial EPC, total EPC $1.57. AOV $270. AOV, yeah. And then affiliate payout value is at 136. It is paying out with a conversion rate of 1.15%.
Yeah, it's great.
It's an amazing offer. I do not anticipate that AOV staying that high once it takes on bigger traffic. If it does, oh my goodness.
Well, even if it does come down a bit, it's still going to be anchored higher than others in its category. So
man, it's doing good volume. When I look at a trending offer, I'm topping out on things that at a certain net sales volume.
Gotcha.
So it's not in the same category as say our top offers. Our top offers, I'm looking for what can take a ton of volume placed upon it with a lot of different affiliates. Trending offers, I'm looking for lower volume and it's moving on its way up, and this is on the top end of where I usually put my limit, where of sales volume, and it's still holding that value. Now it is going to drop, but that is absolutely insane when you look at it. So definitely an offer that you want to try testing out as soon as possible. And there are some really good trending offers in this list.
There's some juicy ones in here. This might be one of the better lists we've pulled, I think, of trending offers. This is solid.
Yeah.
Do leave a comment below if you have any questions about any of these offers. If you can't find it in the marketplace, I know we got some comments last time about Slim Sugar, or I was able to reply back with how to find those in the marketplace. It can just be a little finicky sometimes. Mm-hmm. And don't forget to like and subscribe. We do these offers. We do these videos every month featuring the top offers and the top trending offers and a whole host of affiliate content. So
tell your friends.
Tell your friends, but more importantly, tell yourself. Hit that bell notification. I think it's a thing on YouTube, right?
Yeah, bell. Ding, something.
Yeah.
Get the notification.
But Mychal, thanks for pulling this list again. And as always, happy scaling.